Hello friends, my name is Shaurya Bhargav. So friends, today in this video I will discuss about history chapter 1 of the book of Window of book. Its name is Window of the World and it is of class 8. Now let's begin. First we will discuss exploring new words. Colony, an area, state, or country under the political control of another country and occupied by people from the colonizing country. So ये जो definition है ये colony की है. Now second, French colonialism, the practice of one country political controlling another and exploiting it for gain. Each definition it is of colonialism. Now third definition is of objective, being neutral and considering things without being influenced by personal feeling, prejudices and biases. Now fourth definition is of survey. To survey meaning is to find out detailed information about an area or a population and to record the information. Now fifth definition is of chronology. Its meaning is the arrangement of events in the order of their occurrence. And the sixth definition is of vernacular. It is given on top. You can see on the top of workout. Regional or local, it is its meaning. Now we will come to workout. A. Choose the correct answer. So friends, first, this European nation did not establish colonies in India. So its answer is C, Germany. Second, the collection of documents related to the administration of British India from 1600 to 1947 is called the India Office Records. Third, Toward Freedom is the title of the autobiography by टूवर्ड फ्रीडम जो बुक है वो ऑटोबायोग्राफी written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Fourth, this was one of the first vernacular newspapers published in India. Its answer is B, Bombay Samachar. It is the first vernacular newspaper published in India. Fifth, the National Library of India is located at कोलकाता. जो इंडिया की नेशनल लाइब्रेरी है वो कोलकाता में लोकेटेड है. Now B, fill in the blanks. The modern period of Indian history is also known as colonial period. Second, for most of the modern period, India was a colony of the British Empire. Okay friends, second answer is British Empire. Third, a survey is conducted to find out detailed information about places and things. When a survey, so friends, survey is conducted to find out detailed information. In big city there are survey. If you have seen, so please comment me. Primary sources provide first-hand information about the subject being studied. Primary sources provide first-hand information. So its answer is first-hand. Fifth, the National Archives of India is located at New Delhi. इंडिया के नेशनल आर्chives न्यू दिल्ली में लोकेटेड है. So friends, now we will go to question answer, short answers. Answer in 1 or 2 sentences. Question 1. What is the extent of the modern period of Indian history? Answer is the modern period of Indian history extends from 1750 to 1947. Now second, what is colonialism? Answer is colonialism is the practice by which one country political controls and governs another country. Third, how are sources of history for the ancient and medieval period of Indian history different from the sources for the modern period? So its answer is given in next page. The sources of modern history are richer and more varied than those of the ancient and medieval period. Besides monuments, coins, inscriptions, paintings, sculptures, and artifacts that are common to all three periods of history, the sources for the modern period also include government reports, newspapers, letters, diaries, interviews, autobiographies, photographs, films, and maps. Fourth question. What were the English language newspapers that was started in the 18th century? Its answer is some of the newspaper to be published in English in the 18th century were Hickey's Bengal Gazette, the Calcutta Gazette, the Madras Courier, and the Bombay Herald. What is the National Archives of India? Its answer is the National Archives of India is an institution that preserves the documents of Indian history, including those from ancient times. It is an important custodian of the records of the colonial period of Indian history. Now D. Answer in paragraph. First, describe the periodization of Indian history. Its answer is historians categorize the past into the ancient, medieval and modern period. Certain important events are taken to mark the beginning and the end of a period. The ancient period of Indian history started with the rise of Harappan civilization and ended with the death of Harshvardhan. While the medieval period started with the death of Harshvardhan and ended with the establishment of British rule in India, the modern period of Indian history began with the decline of Mughal Empire and the establishment of British rule in India in the 1750s. It continued till India won its independence in 1947. Now, second, give a brief overview of the modern period of the Indian history. Its answer is the Europeans who had come to India as traders established colonies in different parts of the Indian subcontinent. For the next 200 many princely states and formed laws and policies of their own. Their rule impacted the economic, society and culture of India. The independence movement in India started with the rising in 1857 till the time India attained independence from British rule in 1947. In colonial, India was partitioned into India and Pakistan just before independence. Now we will come to third page, and there is question number third of answer and paragraph. Distinguish between primary and secondary sources of information for the study of history. So answer is primary sources. Primary sources are first-hand accounts of an event in history compiled by people who had witnessed the event. They are original materials. Second, monuments, coins, inscriptions, paintings, sculptures, and artifacts are examples of primary sources. Primary sources of the modern period also include government reports, newspapers, diaries, etc. Secondary sources. Secondary sources are those which are based on the study of primary sources. For stop, they are created by scholars who study a variety of primary sources and analyze them. Now, for second point of secondary sources. Secondary sources mainly include scholarly books and journals. Now, fourth question. What are the India Office records? How are they valuable source of information of Indian history? Answer. India Office Records is the large collection of documents in the British Library in London. They are a valuable source of information of Indian history as they help us reconstruct the history of the colonial era. Now, fifth, what are museums? Why are museums an important source of information? So, its answer is museums are institutions that preserve objects of scientific, culture, and historical importance. Museums are an important source of information because it helps to reconstruct important historical events in the modern period. So, friends, history chapter 1 it is completed. So friends, so bye friends. So friends, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. So bye friends, let's meet in next video.